How to change currency on booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency in your booking.com application. So now let's get started. It often defaults to euros, but you can easily switch it back to your preferred currency. For that, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section. Scroll down and then locate the preferences option. Click on device preferences. Here you will see the option of currency, that is between the language and units option. Tap on it. Now select the currency you want. For example, I'll choose Australian dollar. This change will immediately update the default currency on your account, and all the features such as will display prices in your selected currency. It's quite simple once you know how to do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.